Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by too many notifications or just want to clean up your Discord experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unfollow a specific category on a Discord server. This updated guide will help you stay focused on what matters most to you without missing out on the fun. Let's dive in. First, open up the Discord app on your device. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the process is pretty much the same. Once you're in, navigate to the server where you want to make some changes. You'll see all your servers listed on the left, so just click or tap on the one you need. Now that you're inside the server, look for the option called Browse Channels. On desktop, you'll usually find this at the bottom of the channel list, while on mobile, you might need to tap the three dots or swipe to reveal more options. Tap on Browse Channels to see a list of all the channels and categories in that server. Next, scroll through the list until you find the category you want to unfollow. Categories are groups of channels, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've found it, tap or click on the category name to open its settings. Here comes the crucial step. Look for the option that says Unfollow Category. If this option is available, go ahead and select it. This will stop notifications from all channels within that category, helping you keep your Discord feed clutter-free. If you don't see the option, it might be because the server admins haven't enabled it yet. Or, you might need to update your app. And that's it. You've just taken control of your Discord notifications and made your server experience a little more peaceful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.